Hi there, this is Anastasia Gores from BalancingMe.com, and today I want to show you a 10-minute Do It Anywhere workout. I really want to ask you to follow along because I'm pretty sure that no matter where you are right now, you can do this workout with me and you'll feel much better afterwards. So the only thing that you'll need, the only equipment that you'll need for this workout is a chair or a bench and a wall. You don't need any special exercise clothes, just a casual outfit will do. And this routine is especially good if you've been sitting way too long and feel kind of slouched and kind of tense and stressed and tired. So after this workout, you'll feel much better. So let's start. First of all, I want you to get up. Stand close to a wall. Keep your feet parallel and hip width apart. Now, stand up straight, trying to reach the crown of your head towards the ceiling, and get up on your tippy toes. Now look to your right. Look to your left, slowly. Now try to reach your right shoulder and your left shoulder. Feeling good stretch in your neck. Keep your balance, try not to fall. Stand as high as you can. One more time. And again. Reach right shoulder and reach your left shoulder. Good. Now just do a few shoulder rolls. Release your shoulders. Now let's get close to the wall. Stand about 1.5 foot length away from the wall. Press your glutes into the wall. Squeeze your shoulder blades and put them on the wall. Press your palms into the wall and keep your head on the wall too. Now bend your knees slightly and start sliding down in a squat and slowly get up. Again, go down, tip your hips up parallel to the floor and get up. Now let's make it a little bit more challenging. Get down, keep your hips square, lift one foot, place it back, put it back, then another one, and get up. One more time, get down, lift one foot, try to keep your entire body straight without tilting to one side or the other, and another one. Good, you can repeat these squats a few more times if you want. Now let's turn around for push-ups. Place your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. And the further away you stand from the wall, the more difficult it's going to be. So your wrists are aligned with your shoulders. Now go down and up. Very easy. Now get up on your tippy toes. Lift one foot. Push up. Now kick back, clap. And two more. And one. Good. Switch legs. Stay on your tippy toes. Lift another foot off the floor. Push as close to the wall as you can. Now push back, clap. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Turn on one side. Place your top foot on top of your bottom one and keep your wrist aligned with your shoulder. Keep your top arm aligned with your body. Now lean down. Try to reach the floor with your hip. Now go back up. And again, down and up. Let's add some arm movement. And lean down, go down, and up. Down and up, and one more time. And up. Stay here, just lift your top leg. And add your arm movement. 4, 3, 2, 1, and turn on the other side. Your arm aligned with your body, top foot on top of the bottom one, and lean as low as you can, and get up. Lean down and up. Try to use your abs and your torso, your upper body to get yourself up. Arm movement. And 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Only leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job. Now let's get back to our chair. Sit on the very edge of the chair and place your hands on the edge. If it's a rotating chair, it will be more challenging. If it's just a regular chair, it will be easier. So make a plank position with your body, one straight line from your toes to the crown of your head. Now lift one leg, lower, lift, keep going. Keep your chest open, don't sink between your shoulders. And 4 more. And 3. And 2. And 1. Good. Place your feet on the floor. Bend your knees slightly for a tricep dip. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's do some abs. Again, sit on the very edge. Lean back into your chair. Keep your arms by your sides or place them on the chair. It will be easier that way. And bicycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And lower lift. Lift as high as you can. And lower. Lift. Lower. 3. And 2. And 1. Hold it here. Straighten your arms. Try to keep this position. Good. And last one, plank. Turn over, facing the chair. Make one straight line with your body, placing your hands on the edge of the chair, on the sides. Just hold it here. Lift one foot and lean forward, lean back. Forward, back, forward, back, and switch. And 3, 2, and 1. And switch. 2, 1. Don't sink in your lower back, in your shoulders. And good. From this position, bring your feet a little bit closer and just stretch. Drop between your shoulders. Drop your head between your shoulders. Keep reaching your sternum towards the floor, trying to squeeze your shoulder blades together. And enjoy a very nice relaxing stretch for your back. You can bend your knees slightly if it's too difficult on your hamstrings. Good. Now you can get back to whatever else you are doing. Thank you.